guys, I'm Heather and this is Henry, and welcome to Create Your Own Cozy. This week I am doing some thrift flips. I found some metal pieces that either were already white and in the middle of a project, and I just thought it'd be fun to add the two-tone look of an older looking wood with painted white pieces. So I have 3 pieces that I'm taking from metal and just adding a little bit of wood with my jigsaw to have this fun two-tone look. Also, I had one I already had in my house, a pressed tin shelf that was like that wood color that was really cool a few years back and I'm over. Decided to add some white to that and found a fun green pressed tin sided box that looked cool, that I thought would look cool, not like super big on the color, but poking through white, thought it would be pretty cool. So I did that. And then my most favorite find is my girl. My word this year is freedom. And when I ran into this golden girl in a thrift store, I just felt like she spoke what I'm trying to add to my life this year, which is that freedom to just be yourself and just be free, be you. Who cares what other people think, because you're following your heart. I have gold pieces in this room, as you remember from my very first furniture makeover where I added that golden tin, but she was a little too gold for me. So I added a technique. It was really hard to do because she meant so much to me, but I think she turned out the more subtle version of herself that is not so much freedom in your face, but just like this quiet freedom that speaks to me and I've been feeling this year. So I hope you enjoy. Please make sure to share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up. I would love to hear your comments on what your favorite project was. It really does help my channel. YouTube has algorithms. The more interaction I get and comments I get, the more it knows to advertise it to other people. So I'm trying to get out of the friend zone with my channel. My friends and family who love me no matter what. I'm trying to get shared with more people that maybe just love to do this kind of stuff. So if you feel led, please share. Make sure you subscribe, hit your notification bell. And would love to hear what your favorite project, what's your favorite flip I worked on this week. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this week's video. Please let me know in the comments below what was your favorite project I worked on this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe and send me a comment letting me know what you think, what you would have done, and what was your favorite. See you next week. Bye.